Here's a quick little video on just what spark plugs look like. INFINITI QX80 2016 model. Vehicle's got 97,332 miles on it. The INFINITI service interval for replacing spark plugs is 105,000. So I'm, 8,000 miles early, but I kind of like to do it early and on a time when it works best for me. But just kind of give an idea what these things look like. They all pretty much look the same. Let's see if I can get that to focus. But yeah, so here's kind of what they look like. And here's my cylinders, right? 2468 and 1357. Between the driver's side is the 1357, passenger side is 2468. And anyway, this is kind of just what they look like. Just in case, like maybe you're having an issue and you're kind of wondering, man, what should these look like? My vehicle runs great, no issues, no reason to replace these other than its service interval. So I'm going to say that this is what a normal spark plug would look like with 97,000 miles on it. If you know much about spark plugs, you know that's looking good. It's not, oh yeah, that's focused. It's kind of the right, it's how you expect it to look. It looks good. There's no bunch of carbon fouling, not burning any oil. It's got a little bit of soot on the threads there. That's direct injection kind of deal there happening. But yeah, just curious. Just kind of want to show that. And then I mentioned in the video for to replace the spark plugs. So this tube, when you're in there working on the cylinder, it's this tube I was kind of pushing over the electrode in there, kind of pushing that on. And I can't do it without two hands, but that's what I was doing, using that little tube. When I push it over the end, then that gave me an extension. There we go. So see, it gives me an extension that I could put the spark plug down in the hole and then turn it. And that's how I threaded it and started every spark plug rather than using the socket and wrench. It's so that I didn't cross thread or anything like that. And that I could set the spark plug, I could feed it down, control it, and feed it into the cylinder without just kind of dropping it and let it slide down in there and bang into something and mess up the electrode on the end. So that's how I did. Hope this video is interesting.